All right. The reason why you have no patience when you're trading is because you're trying to get rich in one day. I get it, man. Stop. Or girl. I get it. I get it. But it's not going to happen in a day. Nothing is. You need to understand that wholeheartedly. Here's why you have no patience in trading. The reason why you guys have no patience in trading as well is because you don't know what you're doing. A lot of you think you're going to get onto the market and just think you're going to put in a bunch of money into some random meme coin stock or some random meme coin, or throw in some money in some random meme stock like AMC or the GME pump that just happened. And a lot of people don't know what they're doing, and they end up adding at the very tops over and over again because they're trying to get rich in one day off of one trade. This is just doing nothing but slowing your progress down. You need to understand that trading is a consecutive game, and trading is just like working out. You need to be here every single day ready to perform regardless of the situation. And just like real life, you need to be making sure that you're disciplined. You need to be making sure that you're on point with your trades, making sure that you're drawing your zones off of your higher time frames, which I teach you guys how to do over and over again with my videos, my mentorship, and in my Discord. You need to stop thinking that you're going to get rich in one day. You need to start setting alerts. You need to start right-clicking your screen on TradingView. You're going to start right-clicking your screen, click on Add Alert, and you're going to go ahead and add alerts near your zones. And you're stop being a pansy monkey and stop staring at the charts every single day. You're going to draw your zones once, and you're not going to draw them again for a long time. You're going to draw your zones off of the higher time frames, which I'm going to show you guys how to do in just a moment, and then you guys are going to continuously farm the range. From there, you're going to just draw your levels out and don't worry about anything else. Stop being an undisciplined ape. Stop thinking that you're not going to make it. Because you're not going to make it by rushing the setup. You're not going to make it by trading in the chop. You're not going to make it by not buying at institutionalized levels where there's highest amounts of volume. For my order flow traders, you're not going to make it if you're not buying at those key levels. You're not going to buy it. You're not going to make it if you're not buying or selling where the volume is, where the real big boys are, with tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars, and tons of contracts. That's the traders you want to be trading with, not the liquidity getting chopped up in here. So be patient and wait for your key levels so you guys can actually start transforming your life. You need to understand a few certain things. Some of you have been trading for absolutely way too long, and it's time for you to become profitable today. Certain things have to change, guys. You need to start reflecting on your circumstances. Start understanding, like, okay, why am I rushing my setup right now? What is this doing for me? Am I truly going to get anywhere at the moment by rushing my setup? No. The answer is no, guys. The more patient you are, I promise you, inshallah, if God wills you, the more rewarded you will be. Especially in the trading game, guys, because that is the whole purpose of trading, honestly. It's for people to keep in mind, guys, trading is not PvE for all my gamers out there. This is player versus player. Every time you win money, someone is losing. Every time you lose money, someone is winning. That's called trading because we're trading money for a reason. So you guys want to be making sure that you're playing the best and playing with the best players. Don't be getting chopped up, guys. Be extremely patient. You want to be a sniper in the trees. A lot of you have this funded account mentality thinking that you have to get on every single day and scalp your way to a Lamborghini. Not only is that mentally taxing on your mental health, but it's most likely not going to happen if you guys are trying to rush it. Stop thinking that you guys can scalp on the 1 minute time frames without knowing the higher time frame bias first. Because all that's going to happen is you're going to continue to get faked out and you're going to end up crashing out your account in almost a singular day. So don't do that. Be way better than that and consider your options out whenever you guys are trading. There's a certain few things that you need to start making sure that you're aware of. You need to start understanding, okay, if I'm drawing my zones on the higher time frames, I most likely won't get faked out because these are where the actual orders are. I don't care what time frame you scale down to after you draw your higher time frame levels. Draw your higher time frame levels, set your alerts near the zone, and you're going to wait. And that's the way you're going to be successful in this game. You're not going to be successful in this game by getting on and being a pansy monkey and rushing your setup daily. It's extremely frustrating seeing people do that. It's extremely frustrating seeing people blow their account up over and over again. If you guys want to start getting successful, make sure you guys get with me for one-on-one mentorship, and I'll speak with you personally and drill in your head. Now, come on. I want you guys to start changing your lives, and I want you guys to start living the actual life that you want. If you're not happy with your job, if you're not happy with your life right now, if you're not happy with your circumstance, with how you feel, some of you might be depressed because you're not profitable yet. Well, change yourself, change your discipline, change your routine. Your mindset, habits, nutrition will lead you to success, inshallah. Make sure you guys are always staying prayed up with God too, because God is going to give you guys the ease. Once you guys have faith, you're going to know, like, okay, I have faith that my setup is going to go to the entry and I'm going to be chilling. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and set an alert by the entries here. I'm going to click every time and I'm going to go work on my business. I'm going to go work out. I'm going to go clean my room. I'm going to go build relationships with people in my family and make sure that I'm building healthy relationships with people in my life and work on my relationships. I'm going to go start this book. I'm going to go write my own book. That's what you guys need to be doing. Stop thinking that trading is something that you guys need to be stalking every single day. It's not like that. Set your levels up, set your alerts up, get off, and go focus in real life. Then go ahead and pick up your phone. Once you guys got your phone in your hand, turn on trading view alerts and turn on notifications if you guys don't have them on your phone for trading view. And you guys will hear zzz, 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 and then you guys will go ahead and get alerted on your phone whenever the entry is there. You guys can also set it to every time here. And so every time price crosses it multiple times, if you miss it once, it's going to be okay. You will get alerted. And you guys can also change certain things like that. You can send an email as well, play a sound if you want. So yeah, certain things you can do. Really just depends. So yeah, guys, that's how that goes. So let's go ahead and start off how to draw your higher time frame levels and how to actually wait and stop being impatient. So you want to start off on your daily or your weekly time frame. And we're going to go ahead and draw a zone at the all-time highs. I like to do it on Heikinashi personally. That's because that's just what I'm used to sometimes. So let's go ahead and draw a zone at the all-time highs here. And we're going to go ahead and draw a zone at the most recent lows here. And then we're going to go and scale down to the daily and look for any mini zones in between. Once again, you guys can turn on the swing levels and liquidity by Leviathan indicator. And you can go ahead and detect the volume here to see where there's highest levels of buying and selling at. So yeah, it's extremely useful and it's going to give you guys a good eyeball as well and a good basis. So let's go ahead and hop over to the 4-hour time frame, and you guys can go ahead and draw your mini zones in between the actual higher time frame zones. So you can use the indicator or you can turn it off yourself and just go ahead and continue to eyeball the zones. As you guys can see, we have some here with some selling and we have a heavy breakout once price clip below here, and just continue to go ahead and scale down from your smaller time frames and look for very strong points of wicking. And then I want you guys to go ahead and draw a zone and see if it makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I mean here. So boom, 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 high. Had a breakout down here at the lows. We have a low being created here. We have another low wick here. We have a low. We have a low. We have a low. Extremely easy, guys. Come on. It's not hard, bro. I make it so easy for you guys. Please get with me for mentorship. Please join my Discord. It's a 1-day free trial for my signals, man. Like, I want you guys to start getting rich, bro. It's so simple. Boom. Another low here from these. So, yeah, guys, come on. A low. A low. A low. 3 lows. Come on. And just continue to farm your range over and 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 over until you buy your house, until you change your life, and until you do what you need to do in this world. And that's all you need to do, man. Set your alerts up near your zones. Get off. Don't touch it. Don't look at the charts. Don't be on it. If you don't run a trading business, there's no reason why you should be looking at the charts after you've drawn your zones and set your alerts. Because what are you doing? All you're doing is causing mental stress and you're fighting yourself. Because you're most likely might crash out your account trying to chase a setup that you might think is there. You might be on the smaller time frame and be like, oh, I see a 5-minute scalp real quick. Let me take this. Why would you do that? Stop that. Stop being a pansy monkey, man, and be patient, man. Wait for your setup to come. It's going to come. Be patient. Draw your zones. This is my M and Q zones over here. I gave these signals out today as well. Perfect dump as well. Boom. Extremely easy dump here. Right off of the zone I have drawn, and that's it, guys. That's all I do. I just have my zones drawn, and I don't touch them. That's it. Just to show you guys. This works. I can't wait to start running up this paper with y'all, man. Let's do it. I love this community, and I love y'all, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one, inshallah. Peace. Make sure you guys are staying prayed up with God, man. Be a human being, and keep grinding. Peace. I'm giving a 1-day free trial in my StackMODE trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals, where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.